I welcome to all at MPS coaching classes. My name is Manpreet Sharma. So this is an introductory video of lesson number 4 Geography Climate. The natural environment of an area is directly or indirectly depending on three basic elements: landforms, drainage, and atmospheric conditions. From these two we have already discussed in lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. The third one, atmosphere condition and how they influence the natural environment of an area, that we will discuss in this chapter. Before going to start, let's see the following questions, and the answer of these questions we will try to understand in this chapter. Why do we wear woolens in December, and why it is hot and uncomfortable in the month of May? Why it rains in June, July? Climate and weather. Climate is the sum total of all weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, 30 years or 40 years. Then weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere conditions over an area at any point of time. Weather will be changed within a week or within a day. The elements of weather and climate are same, and these are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation. Monsoon. Monsoon, it is derived from Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. Monsoon in India refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. The climate of India is described as a monsoon type of climate because the climate of India is directly or indirectly influenced by monsoon winds. And monsoon type of climate in Asia mainly found in South and Southeast Asia. So as we know, India is a vast country, as we have discussed in lesson number 1. In lesson number 2, we have seen that India has a variety of physical features. So the same variations we have seen in the atmosphere condition of India. To discuss the variation in the atmosphere condition of India, we will take two most important elements of weather and climate. These are temperature and precipitation. Firstly, we will discuss temperature variations in our country. In summer, the temperature in some parts of Rajasthan desert will be touch 50 degrees Celsius, whereas it might be around 20 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir. In winter night, temperature at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir might be low as minus 45 degrees Celsius, whereas in the south, in Trivandrum, it will be around 22 degree Celsius. Then precipitation. Along with temperature, we have seen variation in precipitation. The variation in precipitation not only in the form but also in the distribution of precipitation. Like in the upper part of Himalayan mountains, this area receives mostly precipitation in the form of snowfall, whereas rest of the country receive precipitation in the form of rain. Then distribution of precipitation. The annual distribution of precipitation will also vary from place to place. It might be as much as 400 centimeter in Meghalaya and up to 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Beside these, Tamil Nadu is the only area of our country which receives precipitation in October and November, whereas rest of the country receives precipitation in June to September. Coastal area experience less contrast in temperature. That means in coastal area, temperature will be remain same throughout the year, such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu, whereas seasonal contrast in this One season will be quite different from other, such as summer will be quite different from winter. These are much more in the interior parts of the country, such as Chandigarh and Patiala. Whereas rainfall decrease from east to west in northern plains. All these variations, either in temperature, precipitation, these are responsible to brought huge variety in the lives of people in the terms of food they eat, clothes they wear, and the house in which they live. If you like the video, then press the like button, and for more updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you.